Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily log into your Instagram account without email and phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app, and on the login page now you are able to log into your account without entering your email or phone number. All you have to do is just right here tap at continue as and your Facebook username. That feature shows here because I have linked my Instagram and Facebook account, and now I can sign into Instagram using my Facebook account without entering email and phone number and password, and without getting a verification code. If right here it doesn't show up the particular Facebook account, you have to log into your Facebook account first, and after that you will be able to use Facebook data to log into your Instagram account. If you haven't linked your Facebook and Instagram, you can't use this way, so you're gonna try the next solution. Just hop out Instagram for now and get into your device settings. Then scroll down until you find passwords. You have to use your Face ID or passcode to be able to get access to that part of settings. I'm just gonna enter my passcode, and then you can use that search box. Just search for Instagram, and in that way I can hit at any of my Instagram profiles that I have logged before on that device. That's my test profile actually, and right here it shows username and password. Password is currently hidden. If you want to unhide it, all you have to do is just tap on that, and after that it shows you the password, and you can hit at copy password to copy it to the clipboard. After that you can move on back to Instagram login page. Then you can enter a password here, then in the same way you can copy username, paste it here, and after that you can hit at login to log into your Instagram account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram and Facebook tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.